ko medyo, but fish ko ay kami hanggang late. So I came up with this one. It's like, last year the trend was patent leather. Yeah. You can set it to some parts. You can customize the lining and how you like it. You can have it in black or whatever, so it was printed. You have, what do you call this, elastic bands for all your eyeliners, yeah, whatever, or your brushes here also. So, but you have elastic and then you have this number. So, it's very easy to bring.
Iya, nalibang na iya.
So if you like to, maraming customize na dito. Kung ano natagpuan ang iyong mga I'm available at the Rack, in Crossing the Rack, in Trinoma, and then there's one also in Glorieta. They recently opened over the holidays. And my store is in Gingham. It's in Giambisita, so Novelty Village. So Novelty Village is here, so mine is like beside the test. I have a lot of yeah, and in multiply also. Almost everybody does multiply na pala, so it's
Iko.
Gingham at multiply. Okay, thank you very much. This is Linda Celebrities and a renowned author and entrepreneur shall join us next para i-reveal ang secret sa likod ng kanilang
Iya. Hindi na mayang eh.
Baka ikaw rin pwede rin maging financially successful. Kaya na.
No, gramas yan.
Tonight, ladies and gentlemen, we will be very good mothers sa isang sweet-like lover as we give her a makeover fit for a prom princess. Pagdating sa blush, we usually apply our blusher with apple white. So, paano mo siya mapapatay?